Drums mess wrong with the piano. Drums and pianos. Miss those crypto pump streams. Those are fun. Hey Marco, Connor, hi. What's up, Green? Gary, good to see you. Liquids, Hazy, what's up? Virus, what's up? 130 choke ready? Ready, Virus, ready. Edwin, ETC's blasting. What's up, Christo? Hello, Poros. Hello, Scotty. Hi. Hi, guys. Happy Friday. Good evening. Is it evening for you, Scotty? Like, what time is it for you? What's up, Matthew? The Blazer. William, you're still awake, William? EA. It's good to see some faces, that you don't really see during the day, with the stocks. But you get to see, you see a lot of people, just like OG people, 3 p.m. Scotty. Okay, sounds good, nice. During the crypto stream, like you see some different faces, which is cool. Bonjour, bonjour, Blair. Yeah, guys, you guys have the link. If you want to come on stream and hangouts, that's cool. That's fine. So there you go. What's up, Boneheads? I'm so happy that you're doing, uh, doing a double play, Gary. Yeah. No, we just had to recover a little bit. Like I was mentioning, like during the, like these streams are an absolute breeze right now. I just feel like I can keep going and going and going. Uh, but I just needed a break. We've been going for like 6 months, like streaming, like nonstop. It like I just feel a huge difference now. What time is it on my end, Matthew? It is 7:02 p.m. Cheese after hours. What's up, Jose? Subway is coming from northern Canada. Bonehead, northern Canada. It's work if you love what you. It's not work if you love what you do. No, yeah, I agree. Jose, I enjoy this. I enjoyed this very much. I enjoy again you guys. Yeah, at least most of you. Late nights, hot trades after dark, guys. So hot trades after dark. Again, if you haven't been to one of these yet, we're gonna talk crypto. We're also just gonna mess around. So welcome to hot trades after dark. If you have any questions, please don't be shy. Please ask. We're gonna give people a few more minutes here, and then we can talk about BTC. We can take a look at the daily charts here for BTC, Dogecoin, ADA, and anything else crypto, and then yeah, and then we can move on, and then we can yeah. So there you go, guys. Get the popcorn, virus. Hot trades after dark. You honestly never know which direction these streams can take, which is fun. Let's go, Augie. Hot trades after dark is back. Let's go, guys. No, I honestly miss these streams, but yeah. Take a exercise. I think we all can relate with working all the time. Yeah, exactly, Blair. Right. So yeah. On another note, I think I just got by Will. What did you buy, Jose? Oh no, what did you do? Real crypto. How is BBIG AMC and Club doing? I don't care about BBIG, don't care about AFC, don't care about Club, especially right now. Let's go, DSS. Good to see you. It's nice to be back, DSS. We just had to okay, yeah. Look at who's here, guys. Look at who's here. For
It's nice to be back, DSS. We just had to okay, yeah. Look at who's here, guys. Look at who's here.
Gary just needs to mute the YouTube stuff. And
there we go. How you doing?
Good, Gary. How are you?
Just chilling.
Just chilling. It's good to see you,
Yeah, it's been a while, man.
It's
been a while. Yeah.
It's good to see you.
Yeah, you too. I'm glad to see her doing well.
Yeah, no, it's not fun. It's not fun, Gary.
No, I imagine. You sound great. You look good.
Thank you.
Yeah, double play today. I was shocked. I saw on Slack, you were going to do a stream, and I'm like, I got to join my man. It's been too long.
I know.
Yeah.
Oh, don't worry, Gary. Hopefully we can do Saturday and Sunday as well. It's just been way too long for crypto, so.
No, I gotcha.
Yeah. Yeah, let's go, Matthew. Yeah, absolutely.
Hi, Virus. Hi, all. Thank you, Scotty. Everyone, thank you. I appreciate it. Blaze is the man. He brings us together.
Teamwork, guys. Teamwork. Family. family.
Yeah.
It's Daddy Gary. Gary, why is everyone calling you Daddy Gary?
I have no idea. I don't know.
Oh no, Gary. No, Gary's
Thanks,
still.
Jose.
Yeah,
Thanks,
Slack is
Matt.
cool.
Yeah, thanks, everyone. No, I appreciate it.
Jose says, "Nice to meet you."
Nice to meet you too, man.
There you go.
Sailor.
Cousins. Yeah.
Word start, Gary. How about them Giants? Giants suck.
Did I miss Gary swearing yet? No,
No, no,
guys.
no, no. I'm not going to swear. I won't. I learned my lesson. I'll leave that to Amber.
It's Amber. Yeah.
Yeah, nope, no. I gave you my word. I won't. I'll do it in Discord.
No, that's fine, Gary. Oh, it doesn't matter. It's
No,
all
it's cool.
good. Hi, Beth. Hello. Good to see you.
Oh my God, these people just crack me up, man.
I know. It's starting, guys. It's starting. CC started with the nonsense,
I
and it's
didn't do
only gonna
anything.
go. I know. 5 minutes. 5 minutes. It's been a while, DSS. It's been a while. DSS is making some very nice plays, Gary. In like
Totally.
in posting them in Slack as well. WTK. Some
I
very
see
nice
that.
plays. Yeah, yeah. I enjoy Gary's. Again, speaking of WTK, there he is. Speaking. It's there you go. Very nice DSS. I like that DSS. Like he does a lot of stuff like that, and he always shares that in Discord. So it's
Hmm.
amazing. Like, it's amazing.
He does a
When
lot of research.
yeah. Yeah.
Yeah,
So that's amazing, like, yeah, it's just nice when you have a whole bunch of people, Gary, and everyone's doing their own thing and then sharing together, because you can't keep track of everything, right? So it's nice.
absolutely. By the way, Blaze,
Uh-huh. The merch, Gary's merch. Oh, there you go. Who's Gary? Gary's Gary, and in Discord, Liquid. Gary's cool, and yeah. And DSS says I made 10K in 72 hours. 10K in 72 hours, guys, on WTK. And DSS posted all that stuff in Slack. And yeah, some can't figure out what's wrong with your Discord.
yeah, me bots playing games.
I don't know. DSS. Maybe it's because like you are you using a different account, maybe, or maybe just because you're not a member. DSS. Maybe that's why. Maybe that's why. There you go, Gary. What do you think about just crypto turning around? Turning around.
Like I've told you long ago, I'm an ETH bull. I love ETH.
Yeah.
I've put together like a ETF, the Gary ETF, where I have some Doge. I always hold Doge, XLM, SHIBA. I told you, like I took a scratch ticket, I threw $100 at it. Now I've upped it. Believe it or not, I've upped it. $150. I'm like a Shiba millionaire.
Yeah.
So it's like one of those where I don't even look at it like I have this money. It's like I threw it in the garbage, and we'll see what happens.
There you go.
I think with meme plays and what's going on in the market, and now that it's being accepted on different platforms, I don't care. It's like I do not own this money. I threw it away. So we'll see what happens. But Ethereum is my thing. Ethereum's my jam, and Cardano.
There you go. Yeah. There you go. You know what? William says DSS, William says if you send him that money, he's gonna double it in 24 hours. So,
DSS is brilliant. I watch his plays on Slack, and he's brilliant. He knows, but it depends on what your conviction is.
Yeah.
My conviction on Ethereum is I look at upside like long. I don't want to be messing around with stuff all the time because stocks are my jam. Crypto, there's so many people smarter than me in crypto. I just look at value. Like, can I get in? What do I want to do with it? But like DSS, I would follow him. If you like crypto, follow him.
There you go. Yeah. I don't know. Yeah, I think DSS, maybe your card expired for Discord. Maybe I can't figure out what's. Yeah, I don't know. It has your old crypto card. Can't figure out how to change it to your black crypto card at DSS. Yeah. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know how you change your DSS to your membership stuff so you can Discord for your Discord. So you know, you want to see something interesting, Gary? Something interesting.
Sure.
Look at this. Most popular cryptocurrency in every state, Gary.
Oh, that's interesting.
Very interesting. Like just
Huh.
look at Dogecoin like basically everywhere.
Look at Vermont, nothing.
Yep.
We're like, whatever.
Yep. I'm just looking at this, and you're most likely more familiar with the states than I am because, well, obviously. But I'm just looking in. So if you can pick out some of like the bigger states, Gary, and let's
Hmm.
see here.
Ethereum is California.
Okay.
Texas, Doge. Is that Doge? Florida looks like Doge.
Yeah.
Maine can
Yeah.
be
The
messed
names.
up.
Yeah. We have the
I have
names at
no
the
idea
bottom
what
as
that
well.
is.
Yeah. Doge is your state.
Washington looks like Doge. A lot of Doge on there.
Yeah. There
That's
is.
good.
Yeah. Like yeah, we keep saying like Doge is almost like like the people's play there. Wow, yeah, there is quite a bit of Litecoin as well there, which is interesting. Chainlink, Tron, Ethereum, huh, Bitcoin, HI.
Okay. Scotty brings up a point here. The only reason Bitcoin is popular in Hawaii, lack of available options to buying anything.
There you go. Yeah. The ones with said, oh, the bearish crypto people are green. Yep. The safe people. Yep. Peter says hi. I'm new here. You're new here, Peter? Well, it's good to have you, Peter. Good to see you.
How
Surprised
you
to
doing,
see you.
Pete?
Yeah. On their corner, yeah. Like it's some of the stuff is very interesting. XRP here. Um, let's see. La la la. Yeah, just again for me, the thing that really stuck out was a lot of Dogecoin, right? Some, yeah.
Yeah. No, they're not going away.
Hmm.
Doge, it could be brought down.
Yep.
Everything's meme plays.
Hmm.
They're cycling.
Hmm.
But when it comes back, it'll come back. This is when you accumulate when the chips are down.
Hmm. Yeah.
But when it
Hey,
runs, and then it's like, oh my god, I got back in at 50 cents. It's like, why
yep.
didn't you buy at 20?
Oh, should I buy 50 cents? It's like, okay.
You had your
Like,
opportunity at 20.
yeah. Yeah, I mean, you
Yeah.
just have to do the research and find stuff that you believe in. Just find, like Gary says, like find like value, right? And you can have a position. You can have. It's almost like an ETF, like Gary does. So you have plays that are value plays, and you have gamble plays, right? And you can
If one
you
hits
know
a home run, you're winning.
exactly.
It just takes one.
Yeah, and DSS does something very similar as well. Like it's
Hmm.
all like these very smaller plays where he throws a little bit of money in them, and yeah,
But
some of
he
them.
hits them. He hits them when they're real low before they're
Yeah,
really taking off, and then they like blow up, and then it's like I don't know
yeah,
what he does afterwards. But
yeah,
I mean, he's crushing it.
yeah,
I mean, I look and I'm like, dang, dude,
yeah,
nice.
yeah. Ajit says, I would love to see the BTC analysis. Quick from you. Okay, Ajit, sounds good. I would take a look. Augie says, XPRT is Nevada. Should give people hints. Nevada is the money capital. XRP, yeah. Yeah, and we've talked about XRP quite a bit as well.
I'll tell
And
you what, Nevada, Las Vegas is like growing like mad.
yeah.
There's a company there, Planet 13. I don't do OTC stock, but like
Hmm.
stuff like that, man. Wow.
Hmm. Yeah, exactly. There you go. Let's see here, guys. I also want to share something. I'll do. I would take a look. I would take a look at the charts, guys, in a bit. But there's also something very interesting, Gary, as crypto's moving up very a little bit nicely here. Again, like,
Well, you know
for
why? Because, the Fed, they said they're not going to mess with it in the US. So, of course,
Mhm.
it's going to run.
Yeah,
People were concerned, like China puts the ban on it. Now the US is saying we're
every
not
month.
going to.
Yeah, every month. China's banning crypto, Gary. Every month.
Yeah, but since we said no equals rocket ship.
Yeah. What's up, Hazel? Gladys, where have you been? Wow, it's good to see Smas. Like it's
How you doing, Gladys?
Yeah, it's good to see some some OG people. Gladys is hot shades after dark material. So there you go. Yeah, no, that's very interesting, Gary. And then there's yeah, as honestly, again, we talked about this, Gary. I don't know if we right how again some analysis there, some a few articles that we read talking about how Bitcoin was expected to be around, like end of September. They were looking, the target for September was 43K, and now the target for October is 63K. So yeah.
Well, they were called, there's so many different like calls, like, 100K, 250K in the next couple of years.
Mhm.
I agree.
Yeah.
As hard as it is to fathom, it's like
Mhm.
Ethereum. I think ultimately Ethereum is going to be the one that really pushes it. Not just because I own it. If I didn't own a cent, I'm just going on like utility, and with
Mhm.
the NFTs and everything else, and everything runs on Ethereum now. I
Mhm.
like it.
Working Gladys. Okay, sounds good. That's okay. Well, it's good to see you. Moon, Gary. Moon is here as well. Moon, good to see you. A lot
How
of
you doing, Moon?
yeah. And here we go, guys. Crypto weekend, guys. Crypto weekend. Everything's looking very good. Doge is trying to move here again. We're gonna take a look at the daily charts here just for some analysis. And ADA, Gary, $2 to ADA is seems to be for me every time like it's a steal.
Well,
Like ADA
Naz would be happy.
$2. Yeah.
The thing is, like when Weeble started trading, I wanted to be in earlier because I don't have like all the different platforms. Crypto isn't my main focus, but I'm in at 119. So
Mhm.
anytime I see like a run, I'm smiling. I'm
Yeah.
like, let's go.
Yep. Because we know how like volatile ADA can be, right?
Yeah,
It
but I
can
mean, it's the thing is the growth, and again, it's an Ethereum play, and I just like it. You know, I've liked Ada for a long time. I wish I could have got in cheaper,
yeah.
but 119, I won't sneeze.
There you go. Hi, Debbie. Polito says, Buenos noches, Polito.
Buenas noches,
Yeah.
amigo.
You happy with Ada, Crystal? Of course you are. Of course you are. Of
I like Christo.
course you are.
Christo, I know Christo does. This is an Ethereum bull too. So
Yeah. Yeah. Take a look at this. Let's cover some news here, guys. This is interesting, and then there's a question for you guys at the end of this. I don't know if you guys can see that yet. Yeah, you guys should be able to, guys. So guys, is this our bull run finally, Moon? Yes, it is. So again, so let me quickly close out some of these things here. Let me see if they work here. Some again interesting. 89 million in crypto was mistakenly sent out to users of a decentralized finance platform, and now its CEO is asking users to voluntarily send it back.
okay, wrong.
So no, guys. Yes or no? Let's say you just randomly get $1 million in your accounts, decentralized. On Do you send it back, guys? Yes or no? Do you send it back?
No,
Let us know.
no.
Gary is a Gary says absolutely not. Um, bring out
I know nothing.
$1 million. What? Who? Crypto? It's crypto. Whose account? An account? What's an account?
I saw nothing.
TC says, Debbie says, nope. Virus says, hell no. What? Bless says, what? I don't have anything. Edwin, don't worry. We will. We'll take a look at the charts versus what money.
What kind of question
Let me
is this?
Beth. I know, Beth. Okay, guys, let me see if there's any more detail to this. Right. So let's continue reading here. So users, is there any more? Okay, so users of a DeFi lending platform Compound were erroneously sent 89 million worth of cryptocurrency. A glitch in a recent platform update led to some users receiving too much comp. Okay, cool. This is the greatest opportunity. What is this? This is the greatest opportunity, the greatest risk for decentralized protocol. Okay, that's a tweet from the CEO. So a glitch in an update this week to the decentralized finance platform Compound has led to roughly 89 million worth of cryptocurrency called Comp to be accidentally sent out to the users. Now the CEO is asking users to voluntarily return the funds.
I'm still waiting for the guys in Africa to give me my Bitcoin back.
IG says I'll send half only. Debbie says that's the price you pay for incompetence. There you go. Okay. Let's see. Let's keep going here. So this is a tweet here from the CEO, whoever guys. So, tweet says if you received a large incorrect amount of comp from the compound protocol error, please return it to the compound time lock. Robert Lesnar tweeted. He also threatened to report the internal to the internal the IRS services all of those who did not or later apologize for the
Boneheaded tweet.
Compound did not immediately respond to the request for the comments. Okay, sounds good. Compound allows users to lend out their crypto assets and earn interest, and the platform is governed by computer code protocols that are voted on by the community and subject to 7-day governance process. Okay, cool. This is a tweet here from the guy, right? Some Robert Leshner here says a few hours ago, Protocol 62 went into effect, updating the controller of la. I'm just again we've covered a lot of that stuff, so I'm gonna skip it there. So okay, whatever. The platform is hosted by we don't really care about what the platform does. We just want to get the juice, guys. That's all we're here for. This is the greatest opportunity. Okay, cool. On Friday, uh, t- on Friday afternoon, Lesnar thanked two users for returning comp to the community. This is not an event that calls into question whether DeFi can be operated safely. It's a wake up call for decentralized community run protocols to improve the processes by which changes are introduced. Okay, Colin la. Okay, whatever. La la la. There are reasons to criticize the existing banking system, but there are a lot of safeguards in place to prevent these kinds of things from happening. Park said, I think money in compound. Faith, I am going to have in this. If I had money in compound, this is a tweet here from someone else. If I had money in compound, how much faith am I going to have in that system now? Question. Okay. Earlier
Now,
this
does this
go
run on Safe Moon?
You don't want to go to the moon safely, Gary? No, no longer comes on. Peter. Yep. $1 million if you found. Oh man, money back out of some of the platforms now. They want me to return what they can access. I'm going to be a trillionaire, Debbie. There you go. Now,
Fat finger errors. Imagine that.
hi Beard. Is Queen here? Queen is here. Okay. Yeah, Naz took one of these things, Gary, and she doesn't come on anymore. Unbelievable. Here we go. So earlier this week, a cryptocurrency exchange accidentally paid out 24 million in fees to send. Wow. Earlier this week, a cryptocurrency exchange accidentally paid 24 million in fees to send just $100,000 over the Ethereum network in one of the biggest fat finger errors in the history of.
You're killing me, Blaze. Come on, man.
Unbelievable, Gary. Unbelievable. I mean, if they're making mistakes like this, what do you expect like people to do? And
Wow.
how does that even, like how do you let it
Sounds
out?
like a
And
torching.
man, some of the crypto mistakes, honestly, they're pretty funny. Let's see. Is there anything else to this? No, that's it. Uh, yeah, I think that's it.
Hmm.
Yeah, that's pretty funny, honestly. Yep.
Not funny for the people, waiting to get it back.
Oh man, unbelievable. Waking up and seeing 89 million. Oh yeah, you're like, yep, here we go.
I'd be
Bye
like,
bye,
cool, my
US. Bye
gains.
bye, Canada. Costa Rica, here we come, Gary.
No, where am I thinking? Cayman Islands.
Cayman Islands. Okay, there you go.
Yeah.
Where do you guys go, guys? Where do you run to? You get your 89 million. Well, obviously it's not the whole thing, but where do you go to? Let us know. Where do you go to?
Cayman
Which country?
Islands or Switzerland.
Fiji, Adavi? Okay. That's really funny, honestly. That's cool. Let me see if there's anything else here. Fiji. SEC delays.
Aloni's dad. You see that?
No, I haven't. Sounds like yeah. Um, so this article was from 5 hours ago. EM. This article was 5 hours ago. Portugal run to the bar. Cabo, Mexico. Ask Peter
Sounds
about
good,
Costa
William.
Rica. Yeah.
I'd go see
Bless,
William.
yeah, William. Okay,
Yeah,
there you go.
totally.
Into hiding. Bless says to the swamp.
No one will find
Bless.
you there.
Yep. Carrying bags of cash to the swamp. Um, that dozen applications and loans received in LUM. I'm just reading an article here, Gary, about just the delay. So SEC delays a decision on 4 Bitcoin ETFs here. Some extends its review application. Okay, sounds good. Yeah, I'm not gonna cover that. Some. I know you guys have been asking about the charts here, so let's do that. Since my chart's now gone. Oh, we're good. We're good. So we're gonna take a look at the daily charts here, guys, in do some CA. So if you have any questions about anything, just ask. And yeah.
Jose. Did you see Jose's comment?
No, I'll buy the socket trades among Jose. That's it. Have you seen that commercial? Where like it's about a lottery where the lottery is like 60 million or whatever, and someone says, "What are you gonna do?" And someone says, "I'm gonna start a business." It's like think bigger, and then it just gets bigger. It just keeps getting crazy and crazier. Yeah, Jose, think bigger. Rand is moving, Debbie. Okay. Let's start by looking at the daily chart here for BTC, right? Because again, guys know King BTC, Gary, $48,000. Wow.
Mm-hmm.
Like the volatility in the last like week or so has just been crazy.
Mm-hmm.
Like this thing was sitting not too again like 42. This was like this was 2 days ago. This thing was sitting at 42K. Like just a week ago, we were looking for just trying to hold 40K. Right.
Yeah,
And
but
today.
I mean, it's like people want discounts, and now after Powell saying, we're not going to touch crypto, you
Mhm.
know,
Yep.
imagine that. Now it rises.
Yep. And also, I've been seeing like people like just extremely worried about the whole. One second.
The China deal,
Yeah, like
but
just
didn't like Venezuela or someone just start accepting? I mean, more countries are accepting, so it's
yeah,
like China's out, but more countries are jumping on.
yeah. No, I mean like Evergrande. Like people being extremely worried about
Oh,
Evergrande and
that
stuff
that
like that.
deal,
Yeah,
yeah.
I just don't. Again, I know the market likes to overreact to all
It's so
stuff like
difficult.
this.
It's so difficult. It's
Yeah,
it's what do you want to play? If you want to get into like Chinese stocks, you got to be careful.
yeah,
I keep saying Baba, but I
hmm
won't be. I'm going to be completely transparent. I cut my position half.
hmm
I feel it's going to be like great long term. I
hmm
feel its value. I think it's oversold.
Mhm.
But, you know, I don't want to sit here and play the game of waffling up and down. So I cut half. And if I could get a better deal, you know, I'll come back in. I'm bullish on Baba long. You know, when you have like people like Charlie Munger and a lot of the big boys getting in, but they can be patient. They can wait
Yeah,
longer and
exactly.
longer, you
Exactly.
know. But if I could get a better deal, it's like I took half out. And if
Yeah.
I could get a better deal, I'll jump in. But I'm keeping my position because if it runs, you know, like the whole China thing, it's a different market than us. You know, they're just totally different. But, you know, Alibaba is like a cash cow for the country. They're not going to crush it. It generates too much revenue for them to crush it.
Yep.
You know, and it would be a bad business for them to like shut it down because we will have no faith in their stocks and we'll be out.
Yeah.
So they, you know, there has to be compromise.
Yeah.
So for now, it's like, you know, play the games. But if you're like very long and you want a good solid company, like long with good balance sheet, good books, good growth, it's
Yeah.
the company. But do
Yeah.
you want to sit on it?
Yeah,
So what I
exactly.
did is I scaled back, but, you know, I'm not out.
Mhm.
Like Tencent, you know, a lot of the Chinese. Now, if it's like a rubbish, what's the thing we're dealing with now? Like SOS, you know, a lot of that junk.
Oh yeah, yeah,
You
yeah,
know,
yeah. Yeah.
Neo, I believe in, but again, I scaled back. You
Mhm.
know, I took profit, and it's like I like the company, I like it long.
Mhm.
But you know, if you could get a better deal long, always go for the better deal. You know,
Yeah.
unless it's like, you know, on a good trajectory going up, then you're
Mhm.
okay.
Yeah.
But you know, if you have to sit for months and years, you know, the year of impatience, not
Mhm.
impatient, you know, but I guess grow your wealth. You know,
Yeah.
could it be in a better spot? Like, could I just throw it in AT&T, beat down, and take a dividend and do better than waiting for this company to come back?
Yeah.
You know, stuff like that. You know,
There you go. Hi, Amber. Hi, Rita. Hi, guys. You guys have missed a
hi
lot already,
Malco,
Justin. Yeah, Marco. You guys have
hi
missed a lot already.
Scotty, hi Beth,
Yeah.
hi Posh.
Huh.
You know, Amber, everyone,
Yeah.
the,
Amber,
the crew,
unbelievable.
the crew.
Yeah, the
We're
crew,
on
the ladies
bonus
of the
time. You
crew.
know,
Yeah.
look at Blaze. He's back. He's energetic.
Here you go. Here you go, guys. Yeah, Amber, you guys missed a lot of fun, Marco, already. So it is what it is. If Connor says, Gary, Connor says, if I win the Powerball tonight, I'm sending 25% to send out for giveaway. Okay, the giveaway, guys. Okay.
That's
Oh, you
awesome.
missed. Yeah, okay. In
I
the list,
will, if I get my torch divvy tonight, I will give half to everyone.
because you know that's not going to happen, Gary.
Just kidding. I hope Connor wins.
Yeah. There you go, Connor. Please win. Brendan, hi. I'll double it if you said it to me, William says. Yeah, there you go. What's up, Kaze? Kaze? So again, Bitcoin here, guys. Bitcoin, 40K support for now. Again, ultimately, we need to get back about 50K, right, Gary? Honestly, it's just for now, like we're just in a little range here, even though it seems like quite volatile here. We're just in a little range, like 40K and 50K, right? So that thing needs to break above again. You guys, we've talked about again the expectation for this month, right? Again, September is usually rubbish for like everything, usually rubbish. So now that it's over, let's see if Bitcoin can start pushing back above 50K here. Again, the expectation is that we start pushing to the 50s, to the 60s, right? So for this
Mhm.
month, so let's see if we can do that. Let's see if we can do that. So
Yeah,
yeah, yeah. And
nothing
what
wrong.
else, guys?
Nothing
Yeah,
wrong.
yeah, exactly. And then what else, Gary? Doge? Oh no, what's Doge gonna say? Honestly, Gary,
I
it's
think
it's
it's
so
up. Yeah, no, 22.
yeah,
What if you bought at 19? I mean, three
yeah,
pennies, and if you put a ton in, I mean, it's
yeah.
good.
Yeah. Like we can see here that we have 2020 like support here at 20 cents, right? So yeah, we're doing a very good job
I'll
of holding that
average
level.
down. You know, I was in at 21, but now I'm 20. So
Mhm,
whatever. You
mhm.
know, if it runs
Yeah.
up to 20, you know, I'm having like different thoughts with it. You know, it's like I like it. I always keep a position,
Mhm.
but you know, when you're in at 21 and then you're watching, you're like, come on, man, will you just move? Do
Mhm.
something?
Yeah.
You know, so I put a little more in, brought my costs down to 20, and now I'm like, okay.
Mhm.
If you show me 25, 26, I'm going to snack.
Yeah.
I'm done playing the games with it.
Yeah.
I know in my heart, deep down, it's going to go. But it's one of those where, like, if you jump out, can you get back in?
Mhm.
That's always the question.
Yeah.
And I think I can.
Exactly. Okay.
I think I can. Like, it's
Yep.
one of those where it's waffling too much for me to have, like, my heart saying, okay, it's never coming back.
Mhm.
Too many games.
Yeah.
So
I
it's
think.
like, okay, now if I can snack on it, I'm snacking.
Yeah. There you go. And also, like, I think sentiment is huge, right? You just have to, when you're snacking like that, you're scalping stuff. You just have to be aware, like, like we talk about market psychology and stuff like that. That applies to crypto as well, right? So, again, for example, yeah, late man parrot, this is live. So for example, you just have to think of like what phase of the run we're in. For example, I feel like we're just getting started. Like crypto's just getting
Hmm.
started. So for
No, I
example, like,
agree.
yeah, exactly.
I,
So
I agree. I do like it. I like it a lot. I always have. But just watching and learning what I've learned over the course of a year and this and that. Now my thought process and one of my processes is, can I jump out and get back in?
mhm,
And if I do jump out,
mhm.
am I going to have to buy higher?
Yeah.
You know?
Yep.
So it's either I'm in for the long run or I take
Mhm,
my snack and pray I can jump back in.
mhm,
Because it's one of those that in my mind is not going to go away.
mhm,
Doge is there.
mhm.
You've got a lot behind it,
Yep.
but
Okay.
it's one of those that are easy to play
Mhm,
in some retrospect where
mhm,
when you've seen like where it's been and where we are now and where it can go.
mhm.
Now, if we were sitting at 65 cents, I'd have a
Yeah,
different philosophy. But
exactly.
now we're at 20 and we have the potential to go back to where we were. We
Mhm.
have come nowhere near where the highs were.
Yep.
So you can play with it, you
Yep.
know?
There you go. Again, yeah, you just have to be aware of like what phase we're in, and it seems like we are in our phase beginning. All right. So yeah. Williams is blazing after dark. No, there will be no members on the stream this weekend. Just crypto streams. What are we putting money into? Ledman Pyro, what do you want to put money into? Ada, what do you want to do? Let me know. Again, no, Gary, I just had this up because again, you're talking about how Doge really isn't going anywhere. I just wanted to put this picture up for those that haven't seen it yet, just to
Mm-hmm.
see, again, like most popular cryptocurrencies in every state, right? Again, and Doge is like all over the place.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah,
No. I'm not saying not going anywhere. It hasn't gone anywhere for the
yeah,
past
exactly.
while. You
Yeah.
know,
Hmm.
will it go somewhere? Yes. I am still, I will still say, maybe
Yep.
not this year, but in the future, I still do see a dollar, you
Yep.
know. But if you're going to play games with something because it's the year of games,
Hmm.
think of how many people are jumping in, or like I've always said 18 cents is my rock bottom. Like I don't feel it will go below 18,
Hmm.
but if you want to play like windows between 18 and 30,
Hmm.
that's where you can, now at 20, what if you I'm not talking the average Joe, but think of the big boys. What if they put 10 grand in at 19 cents and now it went up to 22 and then I'm out? It's like bang, easy money to them.
Yep.
But for the average Joe, if you're in at 40 and you're bringing your costs down,
Hmm.
you want to be in the right windows. That's
Yeah.
all I've ever said. And crypto is not my jam. It is, but is not.
Hmm.
I know more about stock than I do crypto, and I'm learning on the fly. But
Hmm.
just judging from the streams and where we've been, and just levels,
Yep.
I'm comfortable at 18. I'm
Yeah.
comfortable at 20 right now. I'm
Yeah.
very comfortable. If
I
it
know.
if it dropped down to 16, I would not bat an eye. I would add, you
Yep.
know,
Yep.
because I think it could run back up to 25 and who knows when. And then
Yeah.
you're making 10 cents a coin. If I can make 10 cents on every dollar,
Yeah.
I'm a happy guy.
Yeah. I think Star makes I think Star makes like $1,000 for every penny that it moves, right? So yeah, that's
Yeah.
huge. Yeah,
You
so
know, stack
and
dimes, stack
yeah,
dimes.
yeah,
Don't
yeah,
look for just stack dimes. You know, they add up.
yeah. There you go. And then what else? So, yeah, it seems like people are very comfortable around 20 cents here, Gary. I know you said yeah 18. Yeah, a lot of people are comfortable around 20 cents with a lot of room to run. So
I wouldn't fear it. I really
yeah,
wouldn't. You
mhm,
know,
yeah.
I bought ETH at 3,200. How do you guys think is going to take to get to that price? 3,200. We're pretty close now, aren't we, Blaze?
3,200. I'll take a look. I'll take a look. I
Ethereum.
just wanted to look at ADA. To isn't actually drinking water. It's just the vodka to deal with all the questionable people, Queen. That's what it is. Drinking the shine. No, it's water, guys. It's water, I promise. No, again, like Gary, we talked about like either being at $2, like $2 after running all the way to $3. Yeah, that's a steal. Like, like that's a clear support level where, like it's
Hmm.
like, oh, bounce, pump,
Where's
right?
that level? I'm gonna bring it. Hold on. I'm gonna
This level right here.
199, 198,
Yeah, like two
two
dollars.
bucks,
Basically it's
two
$2.
bucks.
Like two
Okay.
dollars, yeah. Yeah. So
Yeah,
there you go. It seems like yeah, nice bounces of $2 like over and over and over. So yeah, if
I
you're
feel
lucky,
like I stole it at 119. You know, I wanted
119. Yeah,
less, but I mean, I feel
yeah,
like I stole it.
yeah, yeah. What are we on tonight? It's lots on some rubbish. Some rubbish. Oh no, Peter,
Now,
you are yep.
what is ETH?
ETH.
There
So let me
was a
take a
guy
look.
asking.
Okay, ETH.
I think it's right
Uh,
around 3,200, not far.
yeah, 33.
Yeah, there you
33.
go, guy. You're above the water.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah. And some yeah, and like you should be okay there. In terms of support here, I can see that we have like at $2,700 here for support, and then obviously like $300, $3,000 is just gonna be a nice, just a nice like psychological support level, right, Gary? Some, and then yeah, and then
You
for
know,
resistance,
it's me. I don't even really pay attention to it. I
I know
just
you
look if it
don't.
drops big. I do my cost average. I'll throw bucks
Yep,
here and there. You
yep.
know,
Hmm.
to me, whatever 3,300 today, 1,800. It's like I just add. You
Yep.
know,
Yep. There you go. Yeah. So I think yeah, again, crypto for a lot of people is just just dollar cost averaging. Like you're just throwing a little bit of money in and like in on all these like drops. You're just adding slowly and just building a position, right? So yeah, and that's what a lot of people do. So uh, above a dollar, when plays above a dollar, for Gary, when $1 for Doge, when $1, Gary, when $1. So what else? What else are you guys watching that we should be paying attention to, guys? What are the crypto?
Cinedigm.
Cinedigm? Gary, this is crypto. This is
I know. I'm
crypto.
just messing with you, man.
I know you are. Crypto. La 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 la. So yeah, so that's I think that's all we wanted to look at there. Maybe some XRP
What about
here.
Shiba? What's your thoughts on Shiba?
Shiba. We'll take a look at Shiba. Let me take a look at XRP here. And again, like all these charts, Gary, like we talked about over and over, like all these charts are very similar, like just all almost the
Hmm.
same. Where like as Bitcoin is doing that, all these things are doing the exact same thing, right? So yeah, as you can see, the last 3 days here is really been the last 3 days. That's when crypto's really turned around, and same thing for XRP here, right? So let me see what level is this here, by the way. That's 90 cents. Okay, cool. 90 cents above a dollar, right? Again, sitting above a dollar is just a nice, just a nice relief for a lot of people. It's nice to see this thing back above a dollar, right? So
Hmm.
I'm okay with that. And other than that, honestly, there's not a whole lot to say about this chart here. So again, you just have to do the research. All right, you just have to do the research and just slowly scale it into these places here.
How's
And
Mindy's algo thing doing?
I'll take a look at Algo. That's actually something I wanted to take a look at. So Algorand, uh,
That
I
was
know.
down quite a bit I mean, it rocketed, then was down. All right, it's pumping back.
Oh yeah, it's had a nice run. Just like yeah,
Yeah.
some
I
yeah,
think Powell helped crypto by saying we're not going to touch it, you know?
yep, yep.
So I
There you
think
go.
people are
Well,
more confident.
yeah, yeah. Again, like there you go. I think Mindy mentioned like 160 here for potential entry level, right, guys? Again, like 160 and Algorand, and it's not moving here, right? So again, like we talk about this, like these charts, guys, as much as we want to say maybe this only applies to the market, it applies to right here as well, right? So again, take a look at this. Like we talk about this all the time.
Discount.
Like, yeah, like take a look at this, like this chart that we use in the market all the time, right? So and then you compare that to this, right? Again, like all these wicks are usually an indication of what's to come next, right? So if you take a look at the center there, at the middle of the chart there, and you start seeing all those wicks were pumping, and you start seeing a whole bunch of wicks, usually that's an indication of, like people are taking profits. You want to be very careful. And then vice versa at the bottom there, let's say bottom left or whatever, you take a look at that. Once you start forming a lot of wicks at the bottom, that's an indication that people are buying the dip, right? So again, take a look at this algo chart, for
Mhm.
example. Here, do you see something similar here? Yeah, you do, right? Again, take a look at this. It's like, oh, wick, 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 and then it's like, oh, and then all the negative bit crypto news starts coming, and you're like, oh, no, that's a coincidence. No, well, these guys know exactly what they're doing, right? So
Yeah.
once you see people taking profits like that, they're like, okay, it's time to sell. Come down
Mhm.
to the bottom here, guys. Again, what do you see here, right? Again,
Right at
wicks
the level.
and wicks at the bottom. Well, guess what? And now crypto's looking bullish, and it's like, oh, is that a coincidence? Sure. No. All right. So it's just
You know how
one.
my mind works looking at
How?
that?
How?
I'm looking at, I see 255,
Mhm.
52-week high.
Mhm.
Okay. 175, it's turning around. If I
Mhm.
want to jump in, I may buy, and then say $2, I'm happy, you know, if,
Yeah.
if I didn't want to be in,
Yeah.
because the upside is there. And if it's trekking back up,
Mhm.
people are like, we may get back to 255. It's like, okay, we'll see what happens when we get around two. If it
Mhm.
holds and starts moving, I could be
Yeah.
happy with a quick turnaround. You
Yeah.
know,
Yeah. Absolutely. No, yeah, Beth, we will. I just wanted to quickly go through like all the bigger time frames, Beth, and then we'll go to the 1 minute time frame. I like how people like the 1 minute time frame now. Gary, it's the drama. It's the drama that
you
people.
know, day traders like that minute stuff. Me looking at it, I'm like, nah, no.
It's fun, Gary.
Depending, yeah, for like CEI and all the stuff like that. Yeah, of course. But like as a long-term guy,
Mhm.
I would stroke out.
But
If I'm looking at this stuff like, no, no.
you know, uh, like you
I'm
use it
looking,
all the time,
I'm
Beth.
looking 52 week. Like
Yeah.
what can I do? What are my possibilities?
Yep. Yep.
But no, I
It's
get it. For crypto and stuff, then you absolutely have to. Or if you're day trading, you absolutely have to.
yeah, you have to. You just see all that. It's like if it's you're walking a line, Gary. And you just you just It's when never mind.
No, you
Justin says that.
have to.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you have to. Yeah,
You're
it's
brilliant, though. You are absolutely brilliant.
yeah,
Like I was
Gary.
off Wednesday
Yeah,
and I played CEI. Okay.
yeah.
And I was watching the stream. All right,
Mhm.
I did a bit. I was doing errands, but I was watching it because my goal was to make a profit and get out. It's nothing I have interest in,
Mhm.
but I just wanted to play around.
Mhm.
And I caught the stream like later on, and
Yeah.
watching you is just magical. What you do? No,
No,
I'm
Gary.
serious. What you do with people and levels, and like, here's what can happen, and this and that. And I mean,
Mhm.
it's almost like orchestrated. Like, I'm looking at you and I'm like, this guy is awesome.
I don't know, Gary. I don't know. I don't know. It's just
You keep people
just
safe. I
teamwork,
love it.
guys.
No, I love it. I love it
Yeah.
because,
Oh yeah. No, that's
yeah, no, it's awesome.
yeah. No, like that's my
Andrew.
intention. Like just trying again. Like my first. Like the first things first is try and make sure that people don't lose, and then we can talk about making gains.
Yeah,
Yeah. No. Yeah. It's fun.
it is.
So
I
what's
mean,
your
it's crazy. It's a different year.
yeah. Oh yeah. It is. It is. It's completely different now. Yeah, it's just I don't know.
Zach
Uh
Morris.
Zach Morris.
But you know what? I to be honest with you, I did not know who this guy was.
Mhm.
I hear this Zach Morris and I'm thinking friggin' 90210.
Yeah.
And then I did a little research. I'm like, Zach Morris, what's his deal? And
Yeah.
then I see, and to be honest, hey man, that guy made some people some money, whether it's pumping or not.
Yeah.
He
Exactly.
really got them into some plays.
Yeah.
So I got to tip my cap in a way. I wouldn't want to be a bag holder, but he did call out some stuff
Yeah.
that ran.
Yeah.
So whatever, man.
Yeah.
Zach,
Yeah.
hey.
Yeah. And you know what? Queen was. It wasn't Queen. Hazel made a good point as well earlier today. She said like it's okay that we complain all the time about like the manipulation. Like the hedge funds manipulating the market, manipulating AMC and everything else, all the games. But we
Mhm.
love when people manipulate stuff in our favor. Like Zach.
I love when they get squeezed. It makes me laugh.
But at the
Whatever.
same.
They've played games forever. So
Yep.
you know what? If they have to buy higher,
Mhm.
deal with it.
Yep. Let's see. Yeah, there we go. 23. Dogecoin, there's a wedge. Okay, sounds good. Thank you very much. 30-minute chart. Okay, sounds good. So there's a wedge on the Dogecoin chart, guys, and it's moving in the right direction, right? So we need to clear that level. Okay. Thank you, Chris. Thank you. Teamwork, teamwork in Slack.
Cardano's crashing.
Okay, the ADA's crashing, but like Gary is just doing the exact same,
I'm,
like
I'm
all like
playing. I'm
I
playing.
know.
Relax.
I know. It's just yeah. It's just yeah.
Anyway, my friend, I've got another busy day coming tomorrow, but as promised, I want to make a cameo, say hello to everyone, just wish you well. I love seeing you again. You
To
know,
see you.
you
Yeah.
sound good. You sound good, look good,
Yeah.
you know.
Thank you. No, Gary, thank you very much for coming on. It was a lot of fun streaming with you.
You're most welcome, man. I miss it. I love it. I
Yeah.
love, joining the chat. It
Mhm.
stinks, when I get at work a lot of the time, it's coming to an end. But, I
Yeah.
try to, pop
Yeah.
on, if not Slack, Discord,
Yeah. Yeah.
you know, just say
Exactly.
hello.
Yeah. No, thank you, Gary. Thank you. Have a
You know what?
good
As I always
evening.
say, don't thank me. I thank
Go.
you.
Go. Have a wonderful day tomorrow, Gary. Enjoy the
Thanks, man.
weekend.
All
Yeah.
right, brother. We'll
Okay.
we'll talk. We'll
Okay.
talk
Sounds good.
more.
Okay. Sounds
Everyone
good.
in chat, love you all. It's always great.
Yep. There you go.
Take
Bye, Gary.
care. Make
Yep.
gains.
Yep.
Remember, stack dimes. Dollars will come. 101 beats 99.
Oh.
Don't take losses.
Stack dimes, guys. Stack dimes.
Stack dimes, man. Stack dimes. Don't
Yeah.
flip for pennies. Stack dimes.
There you go. There you go, guys. Compounding, compounding, compounding. So there you
Compound,
go.
compound,
Yeah.
compound.
Oh,
Gradual gains. All right. Love you all. We'll talk soon.
okay. Bye, Gary. There you go, guys. Gary came on, and now Gary's gone. Gary's gone. Again, you guys all have the link to join the stream. So if you do want to come on, you're absolutely welcome too. Dime bags, or what you started with, virus, and then it just got worse from there. Okay, sounds good. Again, guys, I'm gonna ask the same. I'm gonna share an article with you guys. I know some of you guys are just joining in the last hour, in the last 30 minutes or so, and you guys haven't seen it yet, and it's very funny. It's just very funny. So I'm going to share that with you guys. But yeah, so make sure if you have any questions, guys, you're asking. You started with Nickelbacks. Right. So again, let me copy this article here again, guys. So again, this makes me laugh every time. Every time. So I'm gonna quickly pull this up here. Again, most of you guys have seen this already, but yeah, just answer yes or no. Question is gonna be yes or no. So 89 million in crypto was mistakenly sent out to users of a decentralized finance platform, and now its CEO is asking users to voluntarily send it back. So the question is, yes or no? Would you send it back, guys? You wake up with some nice gains, some nice gains in your account. Do you send it back? Yes or no? I know asking again because a lot of you guys are just joining. So that about what shows. Army medic says no. Is that simple? You don't send it back? Wow. Healthy? There you go. No, no, no. Okay, I just wanted to, yeah. There you go. Uh, Beth says no. Brendan, you're just laughing. You're like, no, absolutely not. Voluntarily, guys. Voluntarily send it back, please, and thank you. You know, 89 million in crypto. There, send it back. Fi- $50 into that's that's 50 bucks into 1 million. 1 million. That's a thought on Shiba. Yeah. Eden says hell no. Teach them how to make a safe exchange. And then there's one more quote at the bottom here. I'm just gonna skip like almost all of this because we've covered a lot of this already. So I'm gonna skip all of that there. So there's one more thing at the bottom here, right, that I wanted to share here again. Earlier this week, a cryptocurrency exchange accidentally paid 24 million in fees to send just $100,000 over the Ethereum network. In one of the biggest fat finger errors in the history of digital assets. Again, especially if it was on KuCoin now, Dustin, there you go. I'm here playing games with the kiddo. Okay, sounds good, Amber. Hi, Lily. She would give me. Nah. The one at the bottom is your favorite, Beth? That's pretty funny. Like, how do you pay 24 million in fees? $24 million in fees to send $100,000? Okay, cool. I think I got a message here from, let me see here. Give me a second. Give me a second. Thank you for the wedge, Christo. Thank you, thank you. I will not have work tomorrow, but cameo. Okay, there we go. Good to go. She says hi. Okay, okay, okay. Let's see. I got 5 on it. We're playing that sniper clips game. Queen is it? Okay, sounds good. Cool. So let's go back here to the charts, guys. Trading view is what I need. There we go. Again, not a whole lot of movement here, guys. Again, not a whole lot of movement here. For Bitcoin right now, we're watching for 50K, right? So again, $48,000 is the next level there to watch. And then ultimately 50K. I think that's what a lot of people are waiting for. Dogecoin here, honestly, I feel like, I wish this thing was sitting, at a good level, something like 30 cents, not 22 cents. Again, I feel like we're going to need some type of catalyst, some type of news here to start pushing Doge again, to bring back the momentum, to bring back the hype, the FOMO. Right, so we're gonna need something, something here, and then ADA, guys. Again, ADA is just chilling for now. Support at $2, and yeah. So ADA, your mother's questionable, Andrew. Oh no, oh no, your mother's questionable. Any thoughts on eCash, Rohan? No, no thoughts, no thoughts, no thoughts. Not. Can you put only $5 for drugs? For drugs. Let's see here. My Shiba. The Shiba is also something I want to take a quick look at here. So I'm going to do that right now. So, Sheep. The sheep, guys. The sheep. The sheep. Let me see. What do I want to do here? Daily. Crypto. Shiba. Let's see what it's looking like here. Again, Shiba, guys, it's still in that range that we talked about, right? So again, support ad, like right there. Not even gonna try calling all the numbers, but it's moving in the right direction. Again, Shiba is more, something that you put some money in, that you're completely forgetting about, for a little bit, and then hopefully it gives you some nice returns, right? So again, obviously, as you can see, Shiba support, guys, right? Support. Support, right? Support, and yeah. So again, that's your entry level all the way down here, and resistance, guys. Again, every time we get to this level, we seem to struggle, right? So again, that level is count all the 0.00000000850. So there you go. Hopefully you got that. So again, yeah, there's your resistance level. Again, Shiba is trending in the right direction, just like everything else. Just like everything else, crypto. It's amazing how like now Shiba is now somewhat aligned. I think initially with like all the momentum, all the FOMO, Shiba used to do its own thing, but now it's aligned with Bitcoin here. So again, last 3 days here is really when we're seeing all these green candles come in, right? So yeah, Shiba is looking good again. If Bitcoin keeps going, Shiba is gonna go as well, right? So yeah, sniper clips. A zero FOMO on Doge right now. Sadly, exactly right, Justin. Yeah, there's no FOMO on Dogecoin. So right, but we need that FOMO to come in. Maybe that's gonna be something something juicy. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? What is it gonna take to start FOMOing, to start pumping Dogecoin again? Some ideas. Look at vets for a second when you can, please and thank you. Of course, Chris. Of course. Congress is voting on federal legalization. Okay, sounds good. La 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 la. What do you guys think? Like, what is it gonna take, guys, to start pumping? The Doge, because it's not really, it's not quite there yet. It's not ready. It's not ready for anything. It's just you buy Doge when it's dying. Low roller scratcher. Yeah, Doge when it's dying. Um, there you go. There you go. La 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 la. Yeah, we're gonna go for another. I wanted to do 2 hours. Okay, so we still have plenty of time, guys, before we hop off. And then yeah, so again, don't forget to smash a like, guys. It needs Zach Morris. Yeah. So yeah, don't forget to smash a like if you haven't already, guys. Smash a like, hit that subscribe, share the link as well, all the fun stuff. And analysis on ETC. Sure, let me take a look at ETC here. So ETC. ETC again. ETC, guys, again. All of these charts are very similar. Like, they're all the same thing again. That's why I like to, honestly, for me, I just like to take a look and see what Bitcoin is doing, and that's what I yeah. So again, if you look at the last 3 days here, that's really where the turnaround has been coming from, right? Again, this thing looks very similar here to Bitcoin, right? In terms of like the chart. So again, support for ETC here at $45, right? So again, support at $45 here. We're bouncing off that level. Watch for is it 57 there next? Yeah, 57 to $60. That's your next level resistance. Looks fine there for now. Vets VET. There you go. Again, Chris, like, it's honestly, it's very similar, right? It's almost the same thing here. Like, all these charts are all like very identical here. So again, the last 3 days here, guys, that's really where the turnaround is coming from, right? So it looks good. It looks good to me. Your next level to watch again, guys. I don't think anything's really changed here that much. Watch for 12 cents and then 14 cents there. But for now, yeah, watch for 12 cents there next on yeah. But again, it's good that this thing's back above 10 cents here, just for Chris, for psychological reasons there. Yeah, he's pumping everything. Let's see here. I think it will just surprise us one day. I think so too, Beth. I think Doge, like, it's just gonna surprise us one day. And let me see if I can pull up Doge here. So yeah, it's just gonna be a surprise. Let me see if there's actually any news here from TradingView. So Dogecoin perks, October the 1st. So this came out today. Wow, interesting. So Dogecoin perks, its ears up. There's a crypto here bullish stampede on the way. This article, like, what's this rubbish? Like, what type of headline is this? On Friday, Dogecoin up bust up bullishly to its descending triangle, bending a called out on Tuesday. The crypto had it struggling to okay, whatever. La 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 la. 17 as Dogecoin trading range continued to tighten underneath it. The crypto was set to meet the apex October the 2nd there. Okay, cool. Yeah, honestly, what I'm looking for is news, something juicy, not analysis here, because we know what's going on. October the 1st here, El Salvador volcano erupts. El Salvador volcanoes have started mining Bitcoin. Oh, okay. El Salvador Bitcoin mining efforts are heating up as the Central American nation has successfully mined Bitcoin using the geothermal energy of a volcano. That's interesting. Wow, interesting. Join the crypto boom. La 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 la. Installing there. Okay, cool. Again, this is nothing to really help Dogecoin here. So Ethereum faces an obstacle. Again, it seems like they're just piling all the articles. It doesn't matter whether it's Doge or anything else. They know that everything moves together, so they're just putting all the articles here together. So Ethereum faces one obstacle to return to $4,000. Okay, what's the obstacle here? So Ethereum has rallied with the rest of the market since the monthly trading session started. Still, ETH must overcome a crucial obstacle to resume its uptrend and re-enter price discovery mode. Ethereum looks like it's breaking out. The second largest cryptocurrency by market cap is up more than 50% in the last 36 hours, gaining more than 400 points in the market value. ETH rallied from a low of $2,800 at $3,200 there. Still facing one obstacle. Okay. Yeah, that's just a technical level there. The 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level and 50. Okay, whatever. Yeah, these are just like just technical articles here, but that's not really what I want. So not really what I want. The spammer is back, of course. Our low roller. The spammer is always back. Who do you miss? Oh, Richard Simmons. Richard Simmons. You guys miss Richard Simmons? Richard Simmons. I'm sure Richard Simmons is gonna be back. We didn't do a lot of crypto, so Richard was gone. Richard was like, "Yeah, you guys can suck it. I'm gonna go spam someone else." And have been since May. Why crypto streams have been four and few between. Justin, exactly right. So yeah, absolutely. And we will go to Rick. Oh no, where's Guy Fieri? Fieri. That's who you're asking for. Jav says, your thoughts on XRP? Again, XRP, watch for Bitcoin. Again, I like XRP long term, right? So, yeah. Yeah, they just need to get through that thing is dragging around for too long there. I think you love Richard Simmons. We converted him. Oh, where's Richard? No, but XRP. Uh, yeah, XRP looks fine again for me. For now, it's moving with everything else, right? They just need to get over the whole that thing's just been dragging on. Every time I read an article about XRP, there it doesn't seem like they're getting any closer. I think that the CEO of XRP there's come out and said, yeah, they're willing to settle, right? But there no new details yet. He went from spammer to an actual person that chatted. Yeah, yeah, Queen. And there's a XRPDD just in case you want some more in depth. Yeah, there you go, Justin. Yeah. Nah. Joe, here we go, guys. The questions. Joe says hi. Could you please take a look at Ethereum and B2C? Thanks. Like, are you holding? Like, what do you need help with, Joe? Just because we've looked at all these charts already. So, what do you need help with? Let me know. Like, are you looking for an entry, exit? What are you looking for? I was quick down the now the SSP had pulled the lawsuit. Yeah, yeah, Justin. Is meme coin like Dogecoin? You think so? XRP is not a meme. XRP is not a meme. Ready for another move, Army? Yeah. Yeah, your next level there to watch is it's just 12 cents, right? So that's your next level resistance, and then 14, and then we can start to look for 20 on VChain. Doge Ethereum upgrade soon. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Let's see. On a margin long. See on a margin. Oh yeah, Ajao Maui says a meta hero. So thanks. In a margin long on the water from 72 cents. Like, what do you mean? Point of interesting. On Ethereum. Um, I don't not sure I understand your question, Joe. Not sure I understand your question. Mm-mm. Nah. Get props. I keep saying it, but I keep looking at it, and dang, I know. DSS, are you still here, DSS? La, la. Let's see. Oh, so you got in at let's see here. Point. Okay, I see. Okay, sounds good. No, that's okay. That's okay, Joe. So point as on the margin, you're in a margin position, and you're in at 0.72. Okay, sounds good. 0.72. I mean, you're not that far off though, right? You're not that far off, and we're clearly it seems like we're sitting at support for now, right? So yeah, I mean, like, we're trying to hold this level here, right, Joe? So we're trying, right? So we just need to find a way to turn around here, but this isn't too bad. You're not that far off. So yeah, I know you're in margin. You're in margin position, so that most likely makes it a lot worse. Because again, you're playing with a lot more money that you don't have, right? So, but for now though, it's trying to hold this level here. So you might be okay as long as this level continues to hold. Who is the most questionable person on Huntress family? Who is the most questionable person in the family? Um, Honestly, like sometimes like it seems like every time, like one of you stands out, like there's gonna be a day where Queen stands out, there's a day where Peter's at the very top, there's a day where it's roadside, Beth. It's just, like every single one of you. There's a day where entertain and noir, it's just very random. You can add subscriber chat only for subscribe chat only for 30 seconds requirement, low roller, maybe. We'll see. We don't have that many people on, so that like it doesn't really it's not that annoying, right? Low roller. So Joe, you're welcome, you're welcome. We're trying to hold that level. Queen, unsure, but william William, the days where William is very questionable, right? So yeah. So let's go back here to the 1 minute time frame, guys. I'm just gonna put up two tickers here for now. I'm gonna put up BTC, and then one more ticker here. So there you go. So BTC up there, back to the days, of the two tickers here and Dogecoin. So yeah. Again, as you can see, honestly, guys, not a whole lot happening. They were very identical here, and yeah, moving the same. Alone, Blair, alone. Joining up with ETH, Chris. You must hit. You must hit like. Smash a like, Beth. Hit that like. Hit that subscribe, Beth. Share the link, Beth. Has been spot on enough, but I highly recommend you look into anything. Yeah, exactly right. Yeah, make sure again. Just because again, anyone suggests a play, like DSS, you have to do the research, right, guys? Again, make sure you're comfortable. A lot of DSS's plays are plays where there are like almost like all or nothings, right? So yeah, so you also want to make sure you're comfortable investing something that you're okay losing, right? So Dustin, where have you been, Dustin? Where have you been? Kobe, where have you guys are late. You guys are coming like almost at the end of the stream. Unbelievable, guys. Unacceptable. You almost forgot, Beth? Okay, that's okay. Oh, yeah, M-Sense, you annoy me? No, why? Did you buy the Powerball ticket? No. Can I get a Powerball ticket in Canada, guys? I don't think so. I think I can, yeah, I don't think I can. Okay, but they almost always come through eventually. What's up, Collective? Look at this. Runish, rubbish. Collective is late as well, All the latecomers, guys. Again, you guys can go back and start at the beginning and watch some Gary fun. Gary was on. Now you got them Canada ETFs. Oh yeah, those ETFs are rubbish. You know, live in the trash when they don't do the lottery. Yeah, you guys don't do the lottery in your state. Like it's how, like, is there a state where there's no gambling allowed? I know Mindy said something about Utah, so she has to drive to Vegas or whatever. Alabama, wow. You are work a collective. Okay, sounds good. That's fine. That's completely okay. And here you go, guys. Blair, guys. When was the last time we saw Blair, guys? Blair, how are you, Blair?
I'm doing good.
It's good to see you. Good to see you. This is fun, Blair. All the old
So
streamers
earlier,
coming
chatting
back.
with Gary, but
Yeah, no, yeah,
yeah, let's
Gary is,
let's go.
yeah, yeah. So, Blair, did you say no? Or yes, to the 89 million. Do you return it, or do you run to the swamp?
I have no idea, Blaze. I wouldn't
You
tell
don't
you
know.
yes or no because I wouldn't say a word.
There you go, guys. Blair, Blair would just carry bags of cash to the swamp and never come.
Because you can't give some of it back because then they'd be like, well, where's the rest?
Yeah, it's like money. What's money? I live in a swamp. We don't use money. There you go, crypto. What is that? Is that Yeah, there you
We
go.
use fish and
Hello.
gator meat. What the heck is crypto?
Yep. What's crypto? There you go. Hello. Look at this. Everyone's spamming alone. Alone in the chat. In the chat. Alone. Alone, Blair. Alone.
I know. Let's go.
Uh, yeah. No gambling. No gambling in Hawaii. That's why Vegas is so popular and considered the ninth. Ninth island in Hawaii. Wow. But I'll share with you guys. Just don't tell anyone, Dustin. Okay, sounds good. As long as it's shared, Dustin, we're good. Let's see here. I refuse to play it anymore. M-Sense, yeah, I don't do the yeah, like like $5. It just seemed like a waste. I don't know, just because you never win. You never win, player. It's just like like $5. Like okay, that's my that's like your smoothie. That would have been a nice smoothie.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is what it is. Well, you have to risk it. You have to
Mm.
play the game to potentially win, right? So yeah,
Oh, I misspelled
it's
that anyway.
there you go. Yeah, guys. No gambling. No gambling. Blair, have you been buying more crypto or just been watching for now? Just
Um, I've been kind of just watching.
okay.
I did buy a little bit of well, I exchanged around a little bit with SHIBA a while
Okay.
back. That was a while
Okay.
back,
Yep. Some
but
Shiba. I think it's amazing how people are slowly coming around to Shiba. I think initially it was like Shiba
I know,
and Doge.
I know.
Yeah, I know. It was a thing that you're not allowed to say. It's like no, like we're watching Doge. Get that Shiba out of here because Shiba is the Doge killer. So we don't want to hear about Shiba. And now people are coming around to Shiba, and Queen is super excited about that. Queen, not saying I like Shiba. I'm just saying, not saying I love Shiba. Just saying,
I don't love it either. But I mean, there's a lot of that I don't understand. So you know what? Stick with it. I got a little bit of money I can afford to lose. I didn't put a lot in because you don't have to
Yeah,
right now.
yeah, exactly, exactly. Hey, that's it. Yeah, yeah,
You know.
yeah, absolutely. Shiba, Shiba, Shiba. Let's see. No gambling. Only blackjack corner. No gambling. Blackjack. We have gambling in California at Indian casinos, and then we have all the lotos and the scratchers. Dustin, yeah. Hot trades after dark. Hot trades after dark, guys. You bought some Shiba as well, Gladys. Yeah, I bought some Shiba. Yeah. Like people, you love Shiba and all the rubbish it gives you. Queen, what rubbish? uh, get 20 million Shiba for like $100. So the risk, yeah, exactly right. So it's the same thing like with the penny stocks we talk about in the market, Blair. Like people are willing to buy a lot more like CI or whatever compared to like AMC because the returns can be ludicrous, right? So yeah, it's just yeah. Liz and Shiva sitting in a tree kissing. You guys see, like Beth, you see what I mean? Like people move on to the questionable list. Like Beth is at the very top of the list. In a tree kissing. There's no rubbish, so you admit it. Um, Queen, nothing else to say to you. Hopefully, the Earth will still be here. Oh, okay. Oh, in Eden, okay. Eden has what 100 million sheep. Wow, 100 million sheep, guys. Sheep millionaires. No, that's not what I
Wow.
wanted. This is what I wanted. Some 200,
Wow.
200 million.
Wow.
Yeah. And honestly, Donnie, yeah, hundred have 100 million sheep staked, and Donnie, and don't care about it for 5 to 10 years. Exactly. No, again, that's always yeah. You just have to put a little bit of money into these things, and then forget about them for a few years, right? Again, if he goes, you're super excited, right? So yeah, possibilities. Well done, Beth.
Yeah, it's always fun to think about the future. What if it gets to this price? Man, I'd be a freak.
Yeah,
I know.
exactly.
I do it
Yeah.
too.
Yep. And like just to think that like $100, we waste $100 on a lot of like useless things, right? So $100 in sheep, that could potentially give you some nice returns, right? That's nice. That's nice. So
It's
I
like
could use $100 to play. Like what do you waste $100 on?
it's like going eat out at a nice
Yeah,
restaurant
yeah,
and plus drinks.
yeah,
You have drinks. I mean, your bill could be $100 when you leave.
yeah.
You know, just thinking about it.
Yeah, exactly. Just forget about eating out once, Able, and just have a like a peanut butter sandwich, just for 1 week, and then
And if
you
not
know,
to make fun of you, if I would like avocado, I would eat avocado, but I
there
don't.
you go.
Sorry, I tried it
That way-
many times, different ways. Sorry.
Yep.
Sushi, I like it in sushi. I like it in sushi.
Yep. Robert says, when I saw crypto pumping, I started praying that Blaze doesn't go online, and just like that, he goes and sideways. I'm sorry, Robert. I'm sorry.
Or at least we're kind of pumping it just a little bit,
Yeah, yeah. I'm trying. We're trying. Yeah, maybe we're gonna wake up to crypto sitting on Bitcoin sitting at 50K tomorrow, because it doesn't like to move. It likes to move at and those late hours when everyone's sleeping.
Yeah, especially me.
You know. Yeah. Let's see here. Uh, genius. Much love, Robert. Much love. Oh yeah, the college diet ramen. Ramen. Yeah, 2 a.m. Queen, 2 a.m. 2 a.m. and crypto's pumping. Is like, well, we're all sleeping at that time anyway. So,
Dude, I
but we've
still eat
streamed.
ramen. What's wrong with you?
Huh?
I said I still eat ramen.
Oh, ramen. Yeah,
College guy.
yeah, ramen. Ramen. I don't know. Yeah, I just didn't grow up like eating like stuff like that. So yeah, I don't know. Ramen. Eating avocados for lunch thanks to this stream and lost 15 pounds. Look at this, guys. He
Making
started,
gains, losing pounds.
yeah, how Gladys started eating avocados. Well, first things first, I apologize because you're following a diet that's, that it doesn't include a whole lot, Gladys. So I'm sorry, but I'm happy for you if that's what you wanted. Right. So yeah, healthy channel, Blair.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
When I used to work out, I used to eat all kind of shit. I can't eat none of it anymore. I can't
Yeah,
stand it.
yeah, yeah. Hydrate avocado diets. Why don't you buy some? Some award reader, some Shiba. Is that what you're asking? Oh yeah, exactly right, Queen. We used to stream to like 2 a.m. and Blaze would keep us up an additional hour before Doge kept because Doge kept pumping. I
Because
know.
Elon
We've
kept freaking tweeting.
I know. I know. It's like, okay, guys, 5 more minutes, and guess what? Doge is pumping now. So now we can leave for another, like every pump like comes with like another like 30 minutes. Because now we're waiting to see what's gonna happen. And yeah, I get
Like old, it's like the old days.
yeah. No,
We
don't
used to
worry,
think
guys.
it was Elon, and we would check, and it was. Now,
Yep. Elon has been MIA. He has been tweeting. He has been tweeting. I don't know if he's like, yeah, these fines, guys, are not worth it. These 20 million fines for every tweet that I'm getting. Yeah, you know what, guys? You know what, Dogecoin? You guys can wait for a little bit. One tweet a year now. Of Safeway yesterday, it said $2 each. Wow, I was so confused. Just Connor says I've gained 15 pounds since a hot trade. Connor, I'm sorry. I apologize. Blaze looking good. Yeah, it's good to
yeah,
have.
I'll
It's
probably
good to
get
have
some
like.
since the beginning of the year.
Yep. Since her trade, you started drinking virus. I apologize for all the unhealthy things we've caused, guys. I'm sorry. Yeah, for no
Take it
reason,
in
John.
moderation, man. Take it in moderation.
Yeah, you mean like the avocados, John? About it's kind of running. Okay. Bashiba has hung out in the how long while the whole market rallied, John? Well, we could say yeah. Honestly, again, it's just something that you throw a little bit of money at, right, John? And if it returns, you're completely you're happy, right? So same percentage gains in virtually any project that has a use case. Oh yeah, I well, I don't think honestly. I think again. So I think if you ask anybody that's holding Shiba, guys, most of it is a lot of hope, right? So I know some people have done the research on Sheep and stuff like Amazon and stuff like that. But I think for most people, it's all about the hope, the potential that's there. So no one's really looking at the use cases and things like that because for now, it's almost non-existent. So
Gamble.
yeah, exactly, gamble. Wait, Elon said suck it while he's running to the swamp with all money. No, that's Blair. There you go. Yeah, Elon. Yeah, it's quite like when Elon
I
came
know, I
on the
know
show there with
the best spot to bury it too. So if you want to send me some money, it it could be crypto. I don't know how I'm gonna hide that. I hate to bury that. It might not work anymore. Bury your external wallet, but I can help you out.
look at this. First, we have William saying, send me your money, I'm gonna double it. Now Blair saying, send me your money, I'm gonna bury it for you. You never, you're never gonna see it, guys. E-transfer Blair some money. So it's gonna withdraw and bury it for you in the swamp.
We'll come up
And
with
the
some
crocodiles.
way to do some interest. Maybe that way you get it back, but you
Yeah,
have to owe me something.
yeah. My pockets are Robert. Yeah. John says, I feel like plenty of people in this brainless world need convincing. John, need convincing. Yeah, t-shirt avocado diet. We did, Chris. We did. If so, no worries. Average is 9 cents. Okay, sounds good. Again, Chris, sitting above 10 cents, I think you're fine, right? So 10 cents, right? Your next level to watch is 12 cents, Jim, and then 14. So, yeah, we looked. I don't know. Yeah, we looked at it already. VET them, and yeah, it's moving just like everything else, right? Chris, like the chart looks very similar to BTC and everything else. So, yeah. Only 24 hours, William. Okay, sounds good. You confuse him not live stream, and it's great you're doing this with movies and wrestling. Oh no, Justin. The infinity lines and arrows, or from Dr. Dave.
I don't think I heard about somebody getting eaten by an alligator during the hurricane. I'm sorry. It's the virus.
Well, then we're glad it wasn't you, because we know you're always fighting with alligators. So we knew you were in a hurricane, and
Yeah.
we're glad you're okay.
Oh yeah. We all good.
Okay, good. Hurricanes. T-shirt tonight or wait for weekend stream. Scotty, it's up to you. It's up to you, Scotty. Whatever you want to do, Scotty.
Okay.
Yeah, it's up to you. Whatever you feel like doing, Scotty, I support. Yeah, guys. Again, don't forget to smash the like if you haven't already, guys. Smash the like, hit that subscribe, share the link, all the fun stuff, and I think this is a weekend stream. No, Scotty. I think I'll try and do Crystal. I'll try and do more. I'll try. Yeah, it actually happened. Wow, guys! Again, I know. Again, guys, these streams are crypto streams, but they're also meant to just like relax and do rubbish. And so, but if you have any questions, crypto, please ask. Right. So, Justin says, yeah, it happened. First person to die
That
from
was
from an alligator attack since 1971 in LA. Wow.
that was a city guy, wasn't a country guy. I don't know what he was doing.
He didn't know what I was doing there. Really? But honestly, Blade, like I would think there a lot more people die from alligator attacks. I don't know. It's just very scary. Really? Since 1971? That's crazy. Wow.
Man,
That's not, yeah.
I don't know anybody around where I'm from that's gotten killed by an alligator. Maybe bit, but not killed. But I mean, I'm not saying he's not right. It's probably true.
Blair, basically Blair saying, you city guys are useless, or or not.
Everything you watch on TV with those uh what's that damn show? It's hard to cuss. What's that show?
Mhm. Oh, John. Okay, okay.
I can't
Finish.
remember it from Louisiana.
Okay. Oh, okay, John. Okay,
Oh,
in LA. Okay, in LA. Not the entire. Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. Sounds good. Okay, sounds good. Drainage ditches in Florida get kids. Okay, sounds good. Yeah. Okay.
oh, okay.
Exactly. Right, Chris. If when you win for Shiba, yeah. Uh, off like a bug. Yeah. You guys shoot them off like a bug. Like you guys have alligators like that just everywhere in Florida. Yeah. You know what? No, it's okay. No, thank you.
Yeah, we have alligator spray. You just spray them and they freaking go away.
Wait, there's an alligator spray?
No.
Blair,
There's
I would have
mosquito spray.
totally believed you. I would have believed you, Blair. Unbelievable. Blair almost had me. Blair almost had me.
No. It's called whatever you have that you can grab, then you hit.
I was like, what? An alligator spray? Guys, I don't know this stuff because I don't. I don't live around alligators. We'll become.
Funny.
Let's make alligator spray. Alligator spray, Robert. Let's do that. Let's do that, please. Deep in the ghetto of SoCal. Okay, we gotta watch. Wow. Yeah. Those things are. Yeah. For Louisiana. Okay. No, Los Angeles. Okay, sounds good, Justin. Sounds good.
Yeah, because like even when you watch that show Swamp People where they're catching alligators, the cameraman's doing this to make it
Yep.
look like they're really struggling, and they're really not.
Yeah.
I mean,
Yeah.
once they hook the gator, they pull it up, and hate to say it, they take a 22 and
Yeah.
a rifle, and that's it. But
Okay. Wow. Wow.
it's like
Interesting.
a reality show, it just kind of
Mhm.
over exaggerate.
Yeah. Yeah. I don't know. Yeah. That's yeah. Yeah. It is. I showed Shiba John. Okay.
Yeah.
How, I don't know, honestly. That's what I said at the beginning. If you're joining us for the first time, guys, we never really know which direction Hot Trades After Dark takes, and that's fine. Right? Just like Hot Trades at Night. How the hell did we end up talking about Gators? I don't know. We started with crypto, and we talked about returning crypto. We talked about and then we've ended up yeah.
Well, we talked about Sheba. I mean,
Yeah. I don't know.
yeah, I know.
You
I
know
didn't
what,
want to
guys?
say. I didn't want to say that on the
I
stream.
know.
Just in
I know. I know.
we're getting spammed.
Yeah, gonna have to delete that. So many accounts. Yeah. You know what, Beth? You know what is pretty tasty if you haven't had it. Yeah, I don't think I gator meats.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's very good. Blair.
It's very good.
Wow. Okay. Wow. Huh. Interesting. uh, yeah. It's. I'll stick to the yeah. What? Gator jerky. Wow.
That's probably well. I'm sure it would be good because I like any kind of jerky. Just don't know
Yeah.
how they would.
Yeah, I don't know. No, yeah, they are John most likely. Yeah, they have some many different accounts. They're most likely bots. You have to bet, William. Good night, William. Good night. Good night. Good night. Yeah, I'm sure we're gonna end. Like, yeah, it's not supposed to be a really long stream, guys. Not really, not a whole lot happening. So yeah, another 15 minutes, and then we can yeah, come back tomorrow evening or something. Right. So yeah, William. Good night, William. Good night. Good night. Let's go BTC to 50K. When you wake up, yeah, I think that's what we're gonna be looking for tomorrow. Bitcoin 50K tomorrow. Let's go. Let's see. What else? What else do I have for news here? Let me see. I'm just quickly going through the news, my news feeds. I usually have whole bunch of rubbish that I want to cover, but I never really get to it. But yeah, whole bunch of rubbish, play.
It's going.
Yeah, yeah. They're pissed. Yeah, I. Yeah, it's because China keeps just spamming that FUD. Uh, That's no, it's 15 minutes, Queen. I promise, 15. It wasn't supposed to be forever stream, so it was supposed to be 2 hours. But yeah, so China woke up. They're pissed. Why? Because Bitcoin has been pumping. Well, they can, they can suck it with that FUD. Outside of that whole, I just, then, USDC is based out of Hong Kong. Out of Hong Kong, John. It's so it's safer long term. USD UDSC. Interesting. I'm gonna have to take a look at that. I'll take a look. That's interesting, John. Interesting.
Do you
Let's
have
see
a
here.
merch shirt that says "Suck It"?
Yeah, we do. We
I'm
do.
buying. I'm
Oh
buying it.
no! Oh no, Blair. You don't have to, please.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. You know what I can't wait for though, Blair? Like the next like month of membership or whatever. For the watermelon, for people to have watermelon around their names. That's what I'm waiting for. It's sucks. We can we are ending now. I'm gonna have to listen to a Gator conspiracy station. Thanks. I'm sorry, Dustin. I'm sorry. Maybe we're gonna have to change the topic so you don't you forget about it. So yeah, no, exactly, John. Yeah, I'll take a look. I'll take a look. So yeah. I think guys, when it comes to just for a little bit more analysis here on BTC, honestly, again, we know we're waiting for 50K right again. So I think that's the level that everyone's waiting for. Um, I think the plan here for October is that we hope that Bitcoin can turn around here and start pushing to the 60s to 60K, right? So again, that's the plan there. Again, for Dogecoin here, honestly, it's waiting for something. Not quite sure what. It's waiting for some type of a catalyst here, and then like Beth says, it's most likely going to be a surprise. Like it's going to be a surprise here, and then we can start moving here, right? So hopefully, hopefully, soon. We need a watermelon emoji. Noir, do we not have one? Do we not have a watermelon emoji? Hmm.
Watermelon.
Watermelon. Watermelon. Watermelon. What do you guys found it? There you go, Noir. There you go. Good job. What are you guys doing this weekend? Like what's the plan? What are you guys doing this weekend? Are you guys just think about asked what do you think about the Robinhood and Citadel scandal? Honestly, that it's still like the investigation. They're still denying stuff, right? It's still ongoing there. So I don't know. I don't know if we can even say anything. That's like if you say the wrong thing, you might get in trouble. So yeah, what do you guys maybe seeing a movie, Amber? Okay, seeing a movie. Are you working this weekend, Blair?
Nope. I
Okay,
got birthday parties to attend to.
okay. Birthday parties.
Uh,
I just moved to Cali and yeah, set up. Okay, sounds good, Connor. Nice. Making monies, John. Yeah, I mean, well, if that's what you want to do, that's fine, right? So, bring that down to your son's birthday, Robert. What taking him to? Oh no, for some melons. Oops, I meant. Oh no, Robert. Yeah. It's coming. The dump is coming. Crypto dump is coming. A crypto dump is coming. I think honestly, again, I think people would start to lose hope if Bitcoin breaks below 40K again. I think people are going to lose a lot of hope. Some, yeah, and start looking for 30K potentially. Some, we'll see. Tiny dump, tiny dump, John, tiny dump. You don't know. You don't know what to do over the weekend, Queen. You're not sure what to do. Trying to think of something for you to do. Something questionable for you to do. We're going to be looking at 36K. Well, for now, we look fine, right? So for now, then we go for all-time highs. Sure. For now, again, as long as we have support at 37.5, support at 35,000, 47.5, support at $45,000, support at 40K. We have some levels of support to pay attention to, right? So for now, has support that'll catch exactly right. So yeah, we have some support levels here that we're holding for now. So yeah, for now, watch for 50K. Right. So on total market cap. So yeah, be Discord and jamming. Okay, sounds good, Queen. Sounds good. We're jamming. Those Saturday morning jams, Queen. Those were the yeah, fun and small. Please and thank you, Beth. Yeah. We came above. Yeah. Birthday parties, Blair. Birthday parties. Don't get the COVID, please. That's not fun.
Yeah, I know. I've never got it, so I think I'm
Okay.
okay.
Yeah. You guys live in the middle of nowhere, anyways. So
Yeah, we grew up eating dirt, playing in the swamp,
yeah,
so I think we're okay.
yeah. Cool. How's the overall market news? And some question for you guys. I know you guys have been overly concerned. So just type in yes, no if you're familiar with the like the whole Evergrande situation there. Do you think that affects crypto if it gets if they get defaulted? Do you guys think do you think that affects crypto? Let me know. Yeah, Queen, those were nice. Yeah, yeah. Let's do that. Let's do that. Yes, you think so, Army, Connor? Why do you think so? Why do you think no? Why do you think so? Why do you think yes, Army? I know again, so we can talk about it in the sense, so Evergrande, like no, 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 no. Like I want to say, no, I want to say no as well. But in the back of my mind, I'm thinking, they call it it's called like the contagion effect. I don't know if you guys like contagion. That's when like Evergrande is a real estate play, but it's more than that. It's the theme parks. There are insurance, EV play there. But again, like the contagion is where that like that's gonna spill a little bit into like other house what do I want to call it it's just gonna slowly spill out into the economy there, and then if that affects the entire market a little bit, right? So but again, we my only increase the fear in the market, again, that's my only concern, right? The only thing with that is the market overreacts to stuff, right? It just overreacts to stuff. That's the only way it really affects it. For me, it should be okay, right? So should be okay. Again, if you take a look at the ETFs, guys, take a look at the ETFs example, especially in North America, especially in the States for you guys, right? Those ETFs, like some of them hold Evergrande, but the biggest ETF, that's like the Vanguard ETF or whatever, holds about like 2.25%, right? That's not a whole lot, honestly, right? In terms of like, that's nothing, right? So it shouldn't be affecting it a whole lot, but we know the market gets scared, right? The market overreacts. How you can be all giggling and turn the switch on and go all professional, chart reader, and go back to laughing. Dustin, let's go. All markets are not attached will at least cause a dip, as we saw again. Yeah, Army, I agree with you. So yeah, always bad news when crypto starts hitting. This it's all coordinated. You were fed FOD before the end of Q2 for a reason. Yeah, John. Again, we talked about that. It always seems like it's a coincidence, right? It seems like like Blair was sitting at a resistance level, and then all of a sudden it's like, oh, China's banning crypto. It's like no, like these guys know exactly what they're doing. and then all of a sudden we're sitting at support. Like, oh, good news for crypto. It's like, no, these guys know exactly what they're doing. So keeping it away. So happy to see you guys at night. It's good to see you too as well. Pop the few.
They're doing all
Nope.
kind of stuff over there though in China right now. It's crazy.
I know. I know. I know. Pfizer are all connected to Evergrande. Dustin, there you go. I thought you were about to say something silly. Yeah, it's all temporal damage on the crypto market. Agreed. Yeah, there you go. Army. Yeah, yeah. Just a little bit of yeah. And,
Yeah, because people were buying or investing, buying their home before it
yeah,
was built, or I say home, apartment, whatever. They,
yeah,
it's crazy. And then now they can't get it,
yeah,
or it'll never be built because of what's going on. It's crazy.
yeah. That's crazy. I think the numbers like like 1 point something million people. Like 1 point something million people put down. Yeah, you put a down payment on apartment, house, whatever, and then it's like, oh, your money's gone. Bye bye.
Yeah,
You
well,
don't
they
get a
turn
refund.
around using that money to fund more real
Yeah,
estate.
yeah. Like that's
Kind of
crazy.
like a
That's
pyramid
almost like,
scheme in a way,
yeah,
the way they were
yeah,
doing
yeah. Almost like AMC, but not that bad.
Well,
Yeah,
I
yes,
bought more AMC today, so, and I'm kind of
yeah.
whatever.
There you go. Yeah, guys, let's keep it positive, guys. This is a fun stream, fun Friday night stream. It's all by design, CCP. Yeah, there you go. We are not like other channels, Beth. Absolutely, guys. We want to keep it, positive, fun, and yeah, and yeah. So we have about another like 5 minutes. Queen doesn't come for me saying, "Oh, 3 more hours, 3 hours."
Mr.
No,
Mays, sorry to interrupt. I got to
you're
go.
leaving. You're
Yeah,
leaving, Blair.
I got to go tend to the little gators in the house.
I
They're
knew
making a
it.
ruckus. They're eating
I
everything.
knew it. Alrighty, Blair. It's good to see you.
Oh
Thank you
yeah,
very much for coming on.
oh,
Thank
yeah.
you for coming in.
All
Have a
right,
good
everybody.
evening. Have a good
Peace
weekend.
out. You too.
Okay, bye, Blair.
Bye.
Good night. Your hand is itching, Varus. You need to fix the thumbnail in your live stream. It shows blank pages for crypto hangout. It's blank. Is it actually blank? Let me see here. It doesn't show blank for me. It doesn't show blank for me. Low roller. Maybe I'll fix it after. Let's see. Amku says, when Robinhood gets to crypto wallets, do you think they will add more different coins? Most likely, some, yeah. It's gonna be a win lose for them. Again, I think a lot of people are gonna run away from Robinhood. Maybe. But I think they're also gonna add a lot of stuff. Yeah, I think so. Have it. Yeah, there you go, blame. Not blank. Yeah, Dustin. It's not blank for me either. So not blank for me. Any last questions, guys, before we hop off in a few minutes here? Any last questions? Anything? Anything? Any more? Any last rubbish? Let me know, please. Good night, blame. Yeah, it's fun. No, honestly, it's a lot of fun, guys. So like said, like these streams are fun. Like I enjoy these streams quite a bit. Oh no, guys, I know why Scotty's here. I know why Scotty's here. I know why Scotty's. Scotty, how are you?
I'm doing well. And yourself?
I'm good. Look at Scotty's shirt, guys. Hot trades after dark.
Gotta sport the merch.
Let's go. That's actually that. It looks very cool on you. Actually, very cool.
Thank you.
There you go.
Hey, just a quick thing before we go tonight. I wanted to do the giveaway tonight, but there's only like 70 folks on tonight, and I'm not seeing a lot of the regulars like Malco and Amber were here for a little while, and so if you guys don't mind, like to kind of wait for like the weekend stream if you're able to do one this weekend.
Yeah.
Just
Okay.
to give, Gary had to leave, William's asleep,
Yeah.
Blair had to go take care of the Gators.
Okay.
So
Okay. Okay. No, that's perfect. Whatever you want to do, Scotty. Thank you very much. Thank you. I know, right? That's in like Scotty comes on for 5-minute warning. Last call for alcohol.
pretty much,
Yep.
I'm the gatekeeper.
Yep. I know.
None of this 5 minutes, 3 hours kind of thing. We're done. My man Blaze needs his rest.
I knew it as soon as he came on. I was like, "Oh no! Now I can't even go over. I can't even do another 5 minutes because
Oh, you
Scotty's not
can if
first."
you want, man. It just
No, I know, it's okay. No,
just
I need to. No, no. Thank you, Scotty. Yeah. Queen says we love Scotty. Absolutely.
no.
Absolutely.
Thank you,
Yep.
Queen.
Yeah. Here you go. What else? Oh no, this person is never gonna leave us. Scotty. Webcam.
Go away.
Yep.
Not interested.
Yep.
Anyway.
Yep. There you go. Scotty rules. Scotty don't play virus. No. He's Scotty is my guardian. Yeah, I like Scotty very much. Yeah. There you go. Ban them. They have so many different accounts. Like they're banned with like every other account, Queen, and they keep showing up with different accounts. That's the issue. And they show up on like on like every like other streams. Like I mentioned earlier, like I was not earlier today, but I was watching like like a soccer stream, and they showed up there as well. So every stream. Oh yeah. Oh roll. Low, oh yeah. That's actually a very good point. Low roller. Yeah. 30-second subscriber. Okay, sounds good. I'll do that. I'll do that. Anyway, back. Been working on bedtime. Do you think crypto is Solano? Yeah. Again. Yeah. I think so. Cool. Yeah. Again, you just have to buy up the right level, right? That's the question now, right, Sam? Yeah. Yeah. You just have to buy up the right level. Super annoying. Yeah. So it's a welcome October and the next bull run. Shane, I think everyone's ready for October and the next bull run. I think everyone's ready. There you go, Scotty. Are you ready? Are you ready?
Definitely. It's been a long drought. When we came, when a lot of us came on in like April, May, I mean, you could pick anything and it would just go up.
Yep.
It was like, it didn't matter what you picked. It just like watch your money grow. And now it's like finding needles in a haystack right now.
Yep. It's like we talk about this all the time, Scotty. It's just like the market cycle, right? So like when crypto decides to go, like everything is going. You don't have to, it's not like you're paying attention to Doge. It's like, no, everything is going. Pick whatever you want, right? And that's, that's the beauty of the cycle. Yeah. So, and then when everything's crashing, everything's crashing. So.
But I can't stress enough some of the people here in the community, for those of you who are new, Gary, Andrew, Josh, DSS, when they put out a suggestion, do your due diligence. Make sure you know what you're investing in. But there are some really great people here. So just take advantage and stay green, set your stop loss.
Yeah, no, I think that's a very good reminder, because when we talk about, like DSS plays, I think a lot of people get excited and like, okay, I'm going to follow the next play. But no, you also have to do a little bit of research, right? And make sure you're not just jumping into stuff blindly, right? So, no, that's a very good point. So.
I did jump into one of his plays, just why not? I don't know if any of you on the stream remember his recommendation about Lobster. It's the Stellar app for selling Stellar based coin.
Yeah.
3 days after, he said, okay, follow this guy, buy all these like weird, bags,
Yep.
vampire, whatnot.
Yep. I remember.
There's this one atomic Doge, and I looked at my phone. I'll post a picture of it in Discord later.
Mhm.
But okay, he said, just invest like 10 for, maybe equivalent of about 80 XLM at the time.
Yeah.
That's like what, $5 a piece. I looked at my phone and it says $4,935 or something to that effect.
Wow.
And I was like, wow. By the time I figured out how to like make use of it, it had dropped out to about 2, but it has funded my stock trades ever since. So
That's amazing.
DSS, if you're watching this later, much love, brother. I really appreciate that.
Yeah.
The results are not typical.
Yep.
But thank you so much, man.
That's amazing.
I will post that screenshot later in Discord. Okay. It's just again not typical, and I didn't get I invested like $40, and it's just $5,000. Whoa! But
$40,
anyway.
$40, Scotty. Wow, that's impressive.
Anyway.
That's again, I think that's what makes people so excited about SHIBA, right? I can put $100 and next thing you know, potentially, that's great. That's cool. Crypto's a lottery ticket. Some of them are, right? So
some of them are if you're lucky to get in, but again, those are rare gems, so please be careful.
Yep. There you go. Very cool. Alrighty, Scotty. Are you ready to leave it here? You ready?
Yeah, let's call it a night, man. It's late. The sun's about to go down out here. Sorry.
Are you seeing this rubbish from Queen? Are you seeing this rubbish, guys? Do you see like Beth and Queen here? $40 to $5,000. Can't even make that much working the corner. I think Rotas says, I think you can. You have the wrong. Virus says you have the wrong corner, Queen. You have to pick the right corner.
Unbelievable.
Oh no, Beth! You did that last night. Oh no.
No. All right. Well.
Oh, man. You can't pick any corners in Canada. I don't know if you can on roadside. Yep. Oh man, that's funny. That's a good way to end the stream. Guys, thank you very much. You guys are amazing. Scotty, thank you for all you do. Really appreciate you. Thank you very much. And have a good evening, guys. We'll see you guys all in Discord, guys. Bye, guys.
Bye. Take care.
Bye. Okay. Get some. Are you going? What are you doing now, Scotty? Now that the sunlight is just going down for you.
Watch the evening news. Start dinner pretty soon.
Okay, sounds good.
Jump on Discord, see if anybody's going to be on tonight.
Okay,
anyway, good night, everyone. Take care.
Okay.
Good night, please.
Good night, guys. Bye, guys. Bye, Beth. Bye, Virus. Andrew. Bye, Amber. See ya. All right, Tub Ramen. Dustin. Bye, guys. See you guys later. Bye.